For some time now, the indigenous people of the Federal Capital Territory and the Nigerian Army have been having series of conflicts over some hectares of land. The presidency and the 8th Senate constituted committee to investigate this land dispute, but the issue is yet to be resolved. Today, the 3rd of August, is the deadline given the indigenes by the Nigerian Army.
Original inhabitants, we own the land. Today is 3rd of August, and we are all here to register our dissatisfaction, our grievances against the Nigerian Army situating their illegal cantonment at Tungamaje, Idosarki, Zuba axis. They are taking over 10,000 hectares of land illegally without following the due process by the authority that is supposed to be given land. Nigerians will know that they are taking over this land without compensation. They are taking over this land without stakeholder recognition. They are taking over this land without considering the indigenes who are in this land. The worst of it all is that the Nigerian Army has given our forefathers, our fathers, our ancestors, they have given them a quit notice. And this is the quit notice, and today happens to be the deadline of the quit notice. We decided to come to that cantonment. We're live here and direct at the cantonment of the Nigerian Army to register our dissatisfaction over this quit notice and to say clearly that we're not going to cooperate. We're not complying with this quit notice because our communities are not to be demolished. They are to be integrated. Our community should be integrated. Nobody should take another Nigeria out of a place because you want to bring another Nigeria in.
Until when our life is being taken, before army could continue to claim this land. We are ready to die. Let us be killed. Then the land remains for the Nigerian army. We have a very strong evidence at our hand that the land does not belong to Nigerian army.
Part of the demands of the coalition of the Federal Capital Territory Indigenous Association includes a proper compensation of the rightful owners of this disputed hectares of land, and the army, they say, should henceforth stop harassing the people.